Yeah, welcome Prajakta and Siddharth. Really
Hi.
great meeting you. So
Thank you.
this will be like a quick testimonial video where you will be like sharing your experience working with us. So
Yes.
let's start with your quick intro. Why don't you start by introducing yourself?
Hi, I'm Siddharth.
I am Prajakta. I'm the principal designer of Space Planners, and he's the junior interior designer of Space Planner.
Great, great. So now Prajakta and Siddharth, I need to get some clarity on what are the problems that you're facing before started working with us.
Yeah. So I am from last 10 years in this field, and majorly I got projects on referral basis. But after COVID, that referral basis client got very decreased. So I thought we should try some online options. But I had lots of bad experience with many firms. So I decided to quit. But one day I joined a webinar of Arihant, and he introduced us the Facebook and that Instagram marketing things. And that experience, I was very means not confident whether to start or not. But I took that decision, and currently we are working on it. It's been, I think, 3 weeks, but experience is very nice. From first day only, we got 10 leads, 10 plus leads. I mean, that was the mind-blowing thing in our online marketing journey, because earlier my experience was very bad with some people.
Understood. I totally understand Prajakta and Siddharth. So now how is everything going on? Can you tell us?
Everything is
It's been
nice.
3 weeks.
We have cracked 4 clients in 3 weeks. That was the milestone.
So that's nice.
Earlier we were doing 4 clients in 2 months, but now 4 clients in 2 to 3 weeks, that is means very great thing.
And I just need to ask you a bit more deep question. When you saw me first ever time, you attended the webinar, even you booked a call with us, and then you made a decision to work with us. You took 2-3 days to make a decision. So what exactly was going in your mind? Is it a right fit for me? Is this guy something can actually help me? Should I take this risk or not? So what exactly was going on, and how you made yourself and convince yourself?
Same thoughts were going on in my mind, but the way you explained, Arihant, it was quite convincing, and the process you explained, that's why it was easy for me to take a decision. So like many people do webinars and this kind of stuff, but when we are connected personally and you are taking care of everything in person, that's why that decision got
That trust build up.
That trust build up,
And it went well.
Great. So yeah, guys, final question before we wrap up this call. So if somebody, let's say there are many people who planning to start working with us, they might be in your same situation. Think about it. Is it the right guy to work with us? So what would you recommend those guys why they should work with us?
5-star from me. If there is an option of 6-star, I will give that.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Great, great. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you so much, Siddharth and Prajakta.
Thank you, Arihant, for
Really
guiding us and taking our company to a next level. And thank you for helping us. That really means a lot for us. Thank you.
Thank you.